Right now, in this very moment, you hold the power to change everything. Believe it. Your thoughts shape your reality, and today is the day you decide to take control. It's time to affirm your greatness, ignite your inner strength, and step into the future you deserve. Let's begin. I am worthy of love, and I choose to love myself unconditionally. I honor myself for who I am, and I embrace my uniqueness. I am proud of my journey and the person I am becoming. I trust in my abilities, and I know that I am capable of achieving my dreams. I release any self-doubt and replace it with confidence and self-belief. I celebrate my progress and am grateful for my growth. I deserve all the love, joy, and happiness the world has to offer. I am my own biggest supporter, and I lift myself up with kindness and compassion. Every day I grow stronger, more confident, and more resilient. I trust my inner wisdom and embrace my decisions with clarity and certainty. I am deserving of all the goodness life has in store for me, and I open myself to receive it. I release all negative thoughts and beliefs that limit my potential. I am not defined by my past, but by the limitless possibilities of my future. I choose to focus on my strengths, and I acknowledge all the wonderful qualities within me. I am enough just as I am. I am confident in my ability to face any challenge that comes my way. I am proud of who I am becoming, and I trust the process of my growth. Every day, I am becoming more and more of the person I aspire to be. I deserve all the success and happiness that life brings me. I am confident in my uniqueness and in what I have to offer the world. I am deserving of my dreams, and I know that I have the power to achieve them. I love myself and all that I am. I accept myself completely and know that I am perfect in my imperfection. I trust the journey I am on and have faith that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I radiate positive energy and attract only the best into my life. I believe in myself and all that I am capable of achieving. My body is a temple, and I treat it with love, respect, and gratitude. I nourish my body with healthy foods that fuel my energy and well-being. I choose to take care of my body because it is my home. I am grateful for my body and all the ways it supports me each day. I am in control of my health, and I make choices that promote my vitality. I am deserving of a body that is strong, healthy, and vibrant. I trust that my body knows what it needs to thrive. I listen to my body and honor its signals. I am becoming more fit, healthy, and energized every day. I embrace movement and exercise as ways to honor my body. I release all stress and tension, and I allow myself to relax completely. Every cell in my body is filled with peace, health, and well-being. I am grateful for the healing powers within me. I trust in my body's ability to heal itself and restore balance. I am aligned with the rhythm of life and feel healthy and whole. I choose peace over stress, calm over chaos, and wellness over illness. I treat my body with the love and care it deserves. I make time for self-care and prioritize my well-being. I love my body for everything it does for me. I radiate vitality, health, and wellness. My mind and body are in perfect harmony, supporting me in all my endeavors. I am grateful for the strength and resilience my body has shown. I choose to live a life that honors my health, happiness, and well-being. Each day, I feel more alive, more vibrant, and more energized. I am worthy of feeling my best, and I commit to taking care of myself. I honor my body by giving it the rest, nourishment, and exercise it needs. I am grateful for my health, and I treat my body with love and respect. I trust that I am capable of achieving optimal health and well-being. I am worthy of abundance, and I open myself to receive it. Abundance flows to me in all forms: wealth, love, success, and happiness. I believe in my ability to create the life of my dreams. Every day, I attract new opportunities for success and prosperity. I trust that the universe is always working in my favor, bringing me everything I need. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money flows easily and effortlessly into my life. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am open to receiving all the blessings that the universe has to offer me. I choose to embrace prosperity in every aspect of my life. I release any limiting beliefs about money, wealth, or success. I am deserving of financial freedom, and I trust that it is already on its way to me. Every opportunity I need is already within my reach. I am capable of managing my money wisely and using it to create the life I desire. I trust in my ability to build wealth and create the life I've always dreamed of. I am grateful for the abundance in my life, and I celebrate it every day. I know that the more I give, the more I receive. I am always in the right place at the right time, ready to receive my abundance. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose to focus on prosperity and success. I am open to receiving unexpected sources of wealth and abundance. Abundance is my natural state, and I attract prosperity with ease. I am worthy of success, and I claim it now. I believe in my dreams and trust that the universe will help me achieve them. I am open to new opportunities, and I embrace them with excitement and joy. I am deserving of financial prosperity, and I welcome it into my life with open arms. I am grateful for the flow of wealth, health, and success in my life. I am worthy of loving, healthy relationships. I attract people who love, support, and respect me. I am deserving of deep, meaningful connections that bring joy and fulfillment to my life. I release all negative patterns from past relationships, making space for love and happiness. I love myself, and I am open to giving and receiving love in all its forms. My heart is open to giving and receiving love freely and without fear. I attract loving, supportive, and respectful people into my life. I am grateful for the loving relationships I have and the ones that are yet to come. I choose to surround myself with people who uplift and inspire me. I deserve to be loved, cherished, and valued. I am open to receiving love and kindness from others. I forgive myself and others for past hurts and open my heart to love. I create healthy, nurturing relationships that bring me joy. I communicate with love and respect in all of my relationships. I trust the process of life and know that the perfect people will come into my life at the perfect time. I am worthy of love, and I allow myself to receive it freely. I love and respect myself, and I attract the same qualities in others. I am open to love and deeply connected to the love within me. I create space for love and joy to flow freely into my life. I celebrate the relationships that bring me happiness and growth. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me and all the new relationships coming my way. I deserve relationships that bring peace, joy, and balance into my life. As we bring this practice to a close, remember that you are worthy of all the love, peace, and prosperity the world has to offer. These affirmations are not just words. They are truths that you are now embodying. You are powerful, you are enough, and you are deserving of everything good that is coming into your life. Whenever you need a moment of encouragement, return to these words and let them fill your heart and mind once more. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Know that you are on the right path, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you desire. You are worthy of success, love, health, and happiness. Let these affirmations carry you forward into your day, your week, your life. Thank you for taking this time to invest in yourself. Be kind to yourself, and always remember that you have everything you need within you.